Mamaya. Lorenzo! Nasaan ka na? Yan, ano nasaan ka na?
There's come a time when the heat is turning cold, when the world must come together as one.
There are people dying. Oh, it's time to lend a hand to life. The greatest gift of all.
We can go pretending day by day that someone, somewhere is celebrating.